Nalandi, open the gate. Where's the money? Okay? Which kind of girl is this one? 30 naira? Okay, okay, no. Now they won't be your girl. Now me be your girl. Allah. La ilaha illallah. Hey. Now me be your girl. Hey. Allah, big girl somebody. Allah, answer down. Answer down. Hey, Allah, say that they respect me. Allah, if you say bullet, don't go this gun call up, don't kill a person for you. Allah.
You say?
Chakara! Bro, no man, I find money, I want to show no person.
Chakara?
No man, I find money. I find money, I want to show.
What show you the do?
Chakara the guy.
All right, before you beat me, yes, you don't see the video. Chakara, how you go there? You don't already take the money, finish it. Only for you to turn back say, I will say bullet, we needed this gun. They don't finish you.
You know God won't punish person. I say when you don't do God won't punish you. Even the devil cannot save you.
You don't say that when I was shoot that skit, now the inspiration I get from when I stay for North. You know they say Aboki. Aboki don't be mumu, understand? They do some kind of things, you tell them before no. They get one Aboki where don't they make call. They can't use hanky, wrap the phone. They make call. So we got to look and say, why you use hanky, wrap your phone before they make call? And say, the man they owe me money, I won't hide my number. Make you no see him. I hide my number when like this, make you no see him. So when I say that, we see a lot of things for North, you know, then with all those Aboki there.
Real life, that's in a real life.
Real life,
this is a joke.
Real life, I'm going to tell you.
Real life, it happen.
Really?
Aboki. Okay. I don't see in another turn of the Aboki where that time we pen straws at the rain. He say, "K, Nima is so for me pinch." So he carry material, give Taylor the so pen straws for us. He won't see that straws at here. Now I go meet Taylor, come begin rig. Taylor, this trouser where I saw for me, is it for sitting down or for standing up? the Taylor come fear. This one Aboki carry dagger come answer this kind of question. The trouser is it for sitting down or for standing up? Now the Taylor say, Aboki, that trouser is for standing up. You can say, okay, I made a mistake. I went to sit down with it.
Chakara, please tell us about Chakara the gang. I beg you, please.
Yeah. Okay, just small sample of Chakara the gang. Now we bring us small. You know, because Chakara the gang go based on true life story. It don't be like my life, my story. Then be this edition. Everything that happened to me, I will talk am for stage as joke. You understand? Then add some other things and then do some unique things for the show. We get artists the way they perform.
Too much.
Godons, AY, Akpororo, Senator, Funny Boom, Hush Baby, Kenny Black, Shakara. And then these three guys go perform too. Me, I, and myself. It's going to be a very wonderful show. We have started the show early because I am mounting the stage at 6:30. That's my time of coming out. You understand? So whether you come meet my performance or not, now you come late. Now my show be that. So and then very importantly, tickets still available. They don't sell, but still available. If you never buy, if you buy for the venue, and me for no bring quarry.
How much be the ticket again?
It's 5,000 regular, 10,000 VIP. Table for 8, 300,000.
Okay, for everybody with their house, 5,000 are regular. But because say we deal with these people, on behalf of me and Chakara, it's still going for 5,000.
Alright, so the show now we're in on Sunday.
Yes, on Sunday, June 28th, Mousson Center. Onikon, close to TBS. Yeah.
Yes, what's it?
Yes, no.
No, but they enjoy the.
I know, but
okay. But you will not say for inside this country where we did. Nigeria, they very, very hard. Nigeria, they too hard. So we need laughter. So if you know, say you don't, your guy don't they frustrate you for works, just leave and for one corner. And the events now on Sunday. So you go down laugh bellet here. When you reach office on Monday, if your guy they make you parry, go just look and just begin laugh. You go just set Chakara face.
And funny enough, comedians don't do too much for the country. Even people will get high position. wey dey for top leadership, they don't
Yeah,
do comedy. Because person fit travel out now, go call Germany, West Germany. That's comedy.
That's
Even
correct.
for River State, Amechi and okay, they are our comedians.
Yes.
Yeah, they are our
I
colleagues.
don't mention. No, yeah.
Oh wow.
So, make I ask you, Shakara, abeg. Is it not strictly comedy or you go mix am with music?
No, it's gonna be music and dance, local dance.
Urobo
See,
dance.
When I say local dance, you know that when I say this show is unique, you need to come and then you see for yourself. There's going to be dance, but local dance, quote, local dance. So
What does one understand? Local dance.
like
Local dance.
local.
I want it with
Wow,
this
these guys,
special
why
for the
guys
show,
to the form? When they know say na so it be, they just form. You
Yeah,
say,
they
okay,
know.
this selfie stick, where they say, hello, please, can I have your selfish stick?
I hate that
What's
selfish.
that? What?
I hate that
Selfish.
selfish.
Selfish stick.
But me, I like them. I like the stick because na normal stick. I feel just plug for you, just put something over it.
All right,
But I
we go
actually
to
hate
tell
that
you.
thing.
We go tell you still more about Shakara and the gang, but we're gonna need to take body card out of today, right?
Yes, body card. Even though say Queen Bee no dey around, you know, say she no dey ever dey live on her hanging like that. She like to provide all the necessities. And right about now, you get one body card, but she don't package them very, very sploofic. You need to watch them by yourself.
On top of body kaja today, you know, say na Queen Bee, they always say bring you all those things where you supposed to know. But wetin I think about, we say, we they avoid wetin they call vegetable. We think say na just the efforiro, or when you tell person, say, when last you take vegetable, he go tell you, say, I lick mango yesterday, I take orange, I take banana, but it go beyond that. You know, say lettuce, they do many, many things for your body. Or you know, say cabbage, they do also plenty things. Or cucumber, they also do plenty things. Or tatashe, the boiled pepper, where they sweet. Go all those supermarkets, you go see them, big ones, and all those ones to get what they do. Fresh vegetable like that, they add many things to our body. Anyhow way you want to do them, make sure say your plate they colorful and the hunger go come all the time. You know, some people go say, I know sabi eat because I know they hungry. But I tell you, when you don't adapt to vegetable salad, anyhow way you take make them, if you like make Onitsha own, if you like make Kano own, if you like make Lagos own, if you like make you make Zamfara own, make you just make sure say your plate they colorful like rainbow. Today, on top of the matter, what we want to do Romanian lettuce salad. Lettuce na go be the cocoa on top of this matter. Make sure say you get lettuce wey make sense. Cut them into big pieces as you go want make it dey inside your plate. Also make you get that big bold tatashe. Go all those supermarkets, you go see them there. You get different color. You get the green one, you get the red one, you get the yellow one. Anyhow, cut them the shape where you want make it be inside your plate and also make you get onions. Keep that one for one side. Then now face this one where you go do the dressing. Now people think say the dressing must be creamy. No, you feel actually make your own dressing yourself. Get black pepper, get olive oil, get vinegar, get small salt to taste, and also if you want, you feel also add cheese. If you don't want them, you feel let that one stay aside. But for me, because I dey like to watch my weight, you know, say na me be the biggest of them all on top of the talk ladies. Yes, throw away the cheese, make you replace them with half-boiled egg. No let the egg done well. Yes, make them half done, because when they have done, all the vitamins and the nutrients go dey inside. Now, one egg, cut them into at least 4 pieces. If not only you, but for not many, you know, say you got to cut the ministry, make it small. Yes. Now, mix your vinegar, your olive oil, your black pepper, and small salt to taste. Make sure say you mix them well, or you they call them wicks. Make you mix them together. When you mix them now, all those your pepper, onions where you don't slice for one side, and your lettuce and everything together. Arrange them. First put the lettuce first, put the yellow pepper for down, put the green on top, and you put the red one follow. Then you can arrange the egg on top them. Then you see that your olive oil, vinegar, and salt and black pepper where you don't arrange together, where you don't turn them. Now can arrange them on top, make you take dress them. And I tell you, voila, it done ready. This one I they thought say big man they chop better food. You yourself, you feel follow chop the better food because you know today expensive. It their market. Live healthy, eat healthy, so that we all go dey kaja. This one a rainy season and you need many things to take care of yourself. Waka. This one a Queen Bee and Nami, they bring you all the betterments where you're supposed to know.
Hey, if you let us join us now, talk with Dave or Azuba Television, and we get as in fact, today I don't laugh.
Oh, you need to thank Queen Bee for that particular information.
Queen Bee.
Very nice one.
In fact,
yeah.
I don't they carried away with the salad thing. All my mind now, maybe we just do commercial. I go fit, go try make the salad chop for myself.
You want chop?
She want
they chop salad and they look.
My sister not the chop salad. She not like.
I don't even like salad when you get
Your
stew.
sister?
Oh really? But this one where you look so you know as they tantalizing.
But to say the truth, you know, say the first time I ever eat salad, I was 22 years old.
You old though.
Before I taste salad, I was 22.
You like her?
Because my family, we had salad, vegetable, they never use a cook soup, they always use salad. You well?
Sometimes when you look Queen Bee, they chop that thing. They be like grass. Queen Bee, if you do any type of salad, just give her leaf. Salad done ready.
Bitter leaf, but
we don't say they healthy.
Bitter leaf salad. There's bitter leaf salad.
Yes,
all right, time for talk the talk and
do. Okay, so as it be say, we get comedians for inside the building. Make them not go end my ministry of you know. We go just do concentration.
Then me anyway, Sha.
You get one day what we give her that time.
You know, na concentration
in pidgin.
What do we give her? We concentrate.
Okay, we
now start time.
Why you?
If I go like this.
Why you no fit go like this? Oh yeah,
because I want me to go like this.
Start time, maybe no fight.
No set up.
You know what the concentration mean? Give them.
Okay, concentration. If I call names of people, you go to call people name
without wasting time. And you know go call the one where another person don't call.
Okay.
You do okay?
Yes.
We'll try.
Concentration. Names of Nigerian state Delta.
No.
Nariaza. They show me this.
Oh yeah, start again. Just start
again.
Do the Nigeria state. Just one. He don't know. We'll do our part.
You don't know. So
but just do them again.
Concentration. Name of Nigerian state Delta.
Kano.
Adamawa.
Abia.
Benin.
Uyo.
Kaduna.
Jos.
Lagos.
Calabar.
Anambra.
Wait, Benin no be state now.
Benin City.
Benin na capital of state now. Edo na the state. No.
I don't know the state. It's on the
You
book
were
upside down.
wrong. You were wrong.
Edo na the state now.
Yes, you were
I'm
wrong.
gladly leaving. Gladly.
Okay.
You will start now.
Okay, start. Okay, concentration.
Do something else.
Concentration.
Okay,
names of Nigerian comedians.
Oh.
Alibaba.
Agudai.
Shakara.
Too much.
Elenu.
Kenny Black.
Kenny Blind. Yes now.
Yes.
Yeah, showman.
Even show myself go verse with you for
Showman a hype man. Don't be comedian.
But anyway, according to Showman for your own profile, it's also a comedian.
He's a stand-up.
So
He's a hype man comedian. He's
Showman.
a hype man comedian.
Oh my God. So who they start now?
Alright.
You know.
We get 1 minute.
Kenny Black. No, Kenny Black.
No,
Kenny.
Okay.
Concentration.
Throw my pillow back for me.
Yeah, take your pillow.
I don't see that.
Oh yeah, concentration.
All right, concentration. Name of Nigerian artist, Wizkid.
Yes, concentration. Names of country, Nigeria.
Asia.
Ghana.
Yeah. Let me say, I don't know. I just want to make women because I've been shown something. I don't get appetite for it.
You probably have your failure, please.
If I win, I don't go perform.
Please, you failed and you failed woefully.
Oh wow.
Alright, still don't forget Shakara show now on Sunday. Now time for you to just come let down your hair and enjoy yourself. Make sure so you don't miss them. You say it goes start 6:30 p.m. right?
No, the show.
No,
they
in
start
the come
5.
Okay, they start 5.
And
Okay.
then my performance is 6:30.
Alright.
Yeah, so that's it.
But when I come before 6:30 because some people don't perform before they come up.
Yes, of course.
So when they say, I miss that people, I miss that guy. No.
Alright, thank you. Make it a day.
So like as I noticed that they hang out somewhere this evening, if you feel catch me there, you get free ticket.
Oh, where did they hang out?
My favorite spot.
Where be the favorite?
For you to
Follow
find out.
Shakara on top Instagram, MC
Yes.
Shakara. Follow him on top Twitter, MC
At
Shakara.
MC Shakara.
Follow me,
Alright,
so.
now so it be today on top Comedy Friday. We go meeting on Monday. For me, myself, and moi, making a get better weekend.
Yes, if you want the opportunity to meet all your talk ladies for On Top the Matter, may you make sure you appear for Shakara and the gang.
Live.
My name na Betiana Unweli.
And my name na Amaka Okudiafo.
So all of us will talk together. Before we wrap up, we'll always talk. To talk, not be bad thing, but make you know what you need to talk about. Now, as we dey always the talk.
To talk, not be bad thing, but make you know what you need to talk about.
No! Ah! Oh, man.